Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting both ends ready. Open the Figma file and set the prototype start frame so you know where interaction begins. This prevents jumping to the wrong artboard. Next, install Figma Mirror or use the Figma mobile app on your phone. You need the companion running. Finally, connect phone and computer to the same Wi-Fi network or enable USB debugging to mirror over cable. Once connected, you're ready to launch the prototype from the desktop. Once done, click Present on Desktop and choose the device frame or scale setting that matches your phone so interactions map correctly. Then open the Mirror or mobile app and select the active project. If a QR code appears, scan it to speed connection. You should see the live prototype. Make sure to test taps, overlays, and device gestures such as swipe or long press. If animations feel off, adjust transition, easing, and frame timing back in Figma and reload the preview. To finish, walk through the full flow on your phone and capture videos or screenshots for notes and stakeholders. This preserves timing and micro-interactions. Use the Inspect panel on desktop to confirm spacing, assets, and platform-specific details, and test both portrait and landscape orientations. If the preview fails to update, restart the Figma app on both devices and verify they share the same network. If that still fails, connect via USB tethering. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.